So my name is Catherine Kwahu, and this is lab number 3. We are doing a dissection of a chicken wing. So my first step was to clean the chicken wing, which I already did. And now we're gonna take off some of the skin so we can see kind of what's going on underneath it. This was my longest part the first time around, so hopefully it goes a little faster now. And a little further in there. So gonna keep kind of going through, pulling it up. Kind of doing it so I can do big chunks here. Kind of using my cooking skills here to take off some of it. Really teasing it. So I am gonna keep do it. Oh, there we go. Got a big check off the back here. So now we're getting down to the skin, you can see. And the main point we're going to get to right now is the synovial joint, which on this would be the elbow. So this is the shoulder here, your elbow, and this is kind of their wrist because these are their phalanges down here. So just try to clear up most of the space so you can see the elbow here, and we'll talk a little bit about when we can see the like the muscles and the ligaments too. So make sure you can really see on these. Try him up a little bit. There we go. Right where it gets really bony, that's kind of the hard part to get some skin off. So I kind of pull it, see where I can get it. Kind of went off our foam there. Getting a little carried away. So now what you can see is we have some of our muscles here. Try them up again. So we have some muscles right here, right here. Got some blood vessels going through there. So let's see if we can get to that elbow here. can kind of tell when the muscle is and when your skin ends, because the skin is like it's like a little, well, obviously it looks like skin, but also like it'll have a kind of clearish, like a cloudy color. It'll make the muscles look cloudy. So okay. So what I just kind of pulled out right here, and we'll watch when it moves, is there's a ligament right there. So it's right in there, and you're starting to see some of our elbow bone. There's some more ligament in here. There we go. I'll show this side. So there's some more ligament in here. It's really shiny. It looks like a string. So to get to the bone, we're going to actually cut through that ligament. And these muscles here, we're going to get right to this bone. Kind of show it here. Here, like I'm right against that bone there. So this is definitely not as good as my first one. I tend to be a little perfectionist, so now we have the two bones here. Let's see how I can show it. So we have our two bones here, right here, right here. There's gonna be like right up in here some cartilage, and it's like kind of flubbery. Kind of like right in there. It's a little bit on there because you can see it's a little flubbery. A little bit right here, part of the skin and everything, but it keeps those two from going right directly on top of each other. So even if I try, they don't want to kind of go. So yeah, that's the synovial joint, the elbow joint. Let's get it from that angle there, so you can kind of see it a little better since the sun is not working with us right now. Yeah, and the bone, this one here, just goes right on top of there. Alright, and so that is the synovial joint. Sorry it wasn't a little cleaner. I was just trying to finish up here and be able to show you guys. So yeah, that is it. Thank you.